In this video, we'll talk about some of the dictionary operations. In our previous video, we have seen how to access the element or the value using its respective keys. Now, let's use the same key in order to override already existing data or to assign fresh value to it. Here is the trick. If I say print of I, it will print me entire dictionary. This everybody knows. Now I can pass the value a in order to get the value apple. Now see, now I want to override this apple. Okay, to do that, I of key a now holds apple. Instead of apple, I want say just a. Save it, clear the screen, execute it again. Now the output is a. What if I only print complete dictionary? Now here you can see, now the key a points to not apple, now it points to a. So this is very basic level, isn't it? Now let's go one step ahead. We will try to modify the value for the inner dictionary. Okay, so to access inner dictionary, we know the trick, that is I points to the main dictionary. To access the inner dictionary, we need to pass the key value of inner dictionary, that is index. Okay, now we have access to this particular information. Now to access any of these value within this inner dictionary, we need to pass its key, either 1 or 2. So now I am going to access 2. Now I have access to this particular value. So to override this, just assign your own data. Now I'll say 200 in text. Save it. Okay, then now let me print it again. Clear the screen, print. Here you can see now this dictionary, inner dictionary, okay, is of key 2, holds our newly updated value, that is 200 in text. So this is how you can access the value and override the value using keys. Okay, in some scenario you won't be knowing what are the keys. So here here we have hard-coded the values, so we know what are the keys and what are the values. In some cases you won't be knowing what are the keys and what are the values. Python provides a special function in order to read only keys, in order to read only values. So to do that, here is the trick. See, I is pointing to dictionary object, dot, take a dot, and this dictionary has inbuilt function, that is key. Okay, save it and execute it. Here you can see it gives a dictionary keys of that belongs to dictionary I. Here we have a, b, 1, list, tuple, and inner dictionary. These are our keys, isn't it? So the value is displayed here. So what if I want to access only values? I just want to check only values. Instead of keys, just give values, value function in order to access the keys. Execute it again. Here you can see only the values. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.